So these are finished blooming. They are white and they smell really good. Usually houses don't have a fragrance, but these have a really nice fragrance. But you got to cut them back so they won't be all silly looking. So I'm gonna do that. And the asters are getting ready to bloom, and I'm cutting the little spit blooms off of those rose bushes over there so they can rebloom. I'm not really satisfied with my pots. I bought all this, what they call it, the sweet potato vine in different colors, and I should have been buying more flowers. But you know, it is what it is. You live and learn. Next year I'll do something different. All right, it's a beautiful day to work outside though. I'm gonna take some of this water lettuce out that fountain too. It's too much.